Hello everyone, welcome back to Deepak Ravas. In today's video, we are going to talk about self-introduction. How can you introduce yourself in front of someone, interviewer? You may need to introduce yourself in your English classes, at a job interview, at a new job, or you may need to introduce yourself at a huge event. So if you really want to get high paying job, good relationship or crack interview, then you must need to know how to introduce yourself in front of someone or interviewer. So if you really want to know how to introduce yourself, then watch this video till the end. So without further delay, let's dive into the main video. So let's start with the basic. First thing that you need to say when you introduce yourself in front of interview, that is greeting. Now we have two type of greeting, formal greeting and informal greeting. We use informal greeting when we have to introduce ourselves in front of parents, co-worker or childhood friend. But remember, we don't use informal greeting in front of interviewer or recruiter or CEO of a company. We always use formal greeting in front of them. So you can use these terminology in front of who already know you. Now we have formal greeting. We use formal greeting in front of interviewer, recruiters and CEO of a company, like hello, good morning sir, madam, good night, evening. According to your situation, it depends on when you are giving an interview. But remember, greeting played very significant role in your job interview. If you really want to crack any interview, then your greeting should be phenomenal. The moment interviewer asks you this question, tell me something about yourself. In order to tackle this question, you have to divide this question into three parts. In first part, tell them your name or your educational background. For example, you can say my name is XYZ. You can take your respective name. And second, I have completed my XYZ course in XYZ university, college or institute. And in second part, tell them your experience or your achievement. Remember, your achievement or experience matter most. It leaves good impact on interviewer, recruiter or CEO. And in second part, tell them how you right fit for this role. Tell them something unique about yourself that match your job profile or status. And be remember, one of the most common mistake that most of the people do, that is they start telling their marital estate or their father's, mother's and parents name. You don't need to do that. You can add your achievement or your professional life. So don't tell them your marital status or your parents name. It leave bad impact on interviewer. One of the most common question that interviewer ask in interview, that is what the biggest weakness or strength. But what's the reason to ask this question? Reason is very simple. Because they want to judge you. But what can be the perfect answer of this question? Answer is very simple too. In weakness, you have to tell them sometime I mistake, but I will try to improve this mistake as soon as possible. And remember, don't tell them like a robotic answer, like I am lazy, I sleep all the time. Don't tell them these kinds of answer. And in strength, you have to tell them I am good at communication, I am quick learner, I learn from my mistake. So these are the things that you need to add in your this question, this answer. But your answer should be understandable. Don't tell them any robotic answer like I am very great, I can do anything, I can do everything. Don't tell them. Try to manage your answer in simple word that is actually doable. Last but not the least, this is very important part of this video. Don't tell them any negative thing about yourself to the interviewer. So keep positive, tell them positive thing about yourself, unique thing about yourself. And that's all for today. All the best for your interview. I am going to end this video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure hit the subscribe button and give it a like and share with your friend who want most about this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye people and all the best again.